Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll see how can we configure the visibility for a provided hosted app in an app catalog. For this demo I will use two site collection, the app catalog site collection, and I have Contours administrator user as site collection administrator for this site collection. And the web application one basically is the root site collection for the same web application which has site admin 2, the site collection administrator. So first of all, when we create the app catalog using central administration page, we have the possibility to choose which are the end users that are actually able to see our provided hosted app. Going to apps, then manage app catalog, create a new app catalog site and click OK. And here we can specify which are the users or groups that actually are able to see our provided hosted app. For example, if I put here Contoso site admin 2 and click the OK button, a new app catalog will be created. I already created one. And this app catalog will have site permission, will have read permission for site admin 2, the account that I used once I created the app catalog. We can put here also an Active Directory group as well. Now, this means that all the end user that have read permission will be able to see our provided hosted app from app catalog. So let's go to client PC. I'm already connected with site admin 2. This is the root site collection for my web application. So go to app, add an app, and choose from your organization. As we can see, I can select that SharePoint add-in using site admin 2. So this test provided hosted app is basically visible for the site collection administrator. Now, if we have the business requirement to hide some specific provided hosted app, then we can go again to app catalog and go to apps for SharePoint document library. At this moment, I will go to library settings, permission for this document library, and I will stop inheriting permission. I can remove site administrator too. So basically I remove read permission for the entire document library. And if I'm going to the client PC once again and refresh the page, the site collection administrator for the root site is not able to see our provided hosted app. So if I'm going further and click on apps for SharePoint once again, I can granularly manage permission for item level. So click share, invite Contoso site admin 2, can view and share. At this moment, Contoso Site Administration 2 is able to see only this provided hosted app. So if we have multiple provided hosted app, we can choose which are the site collection administrator who actually can install the provided hosted app. So going to the client PC once again and refresh the page, I can see again the test provided hosted app using my site collection administrator for the root site. Another possibility will be to go to App Catalog and disable the provided hosted app. So the provided hosted app will be basically uploaded here, but disabled for end users. So click on Edit button. And uncheck Enable checkbox. Now let's go to the client PC once again and refresh the page. As you can see, now the provided hosted app is not visible anymore. Using those simple steps, we can basically make visible or not some provided hosted app for our site collection administration according with business requirement. Thanks for watching.